What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm going to take you through my fridge. Highly requested video. Bento asked. So this is my fridge. As you can tell, I love mustard. I love it so much. I'll start on the top shelf, you know? Okay, so what I have, oat milk, cold brew coffee. I don't drink this. It's my boyfriend's. Orange juice. That's my boyfriend's. I love peanut butter and jelly. I usually get the natural strawberry. I got kimchi. We got some pasta sauces back there. I make pasta now and then. I got my Frank's Red Hot sauce. I got banana peppers. Other stuff in the back that I don't really use. Okay, so moving on along, we got some eggs. Needing that protein. These drinks, I actually have a couple. I like the lemon lime because it actually tastes like Sprite. I have a couple of those over here as well. This flavor, peach nectarine, is actually really good too. Over here, this is my special wine. It is a herbal wine. I won't tell you where to buy it. No, I'm kidding. It was at a liquor store. Alcohol that Shamey drink. I got some strawberries because I love fruit meal preps that I made. Let's see what this is. Well, I know what it is, but I'll show you guys what it is if I can open this. So I got these containers actually from Amazon. They can actually go in the freezer too. So they're microwave, dishwasher safe, blah, 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 blah. I like the size because I can actually stack a lot more meals in my fridge because this is kind of technically a tiny fridge, so I make the best of it. So right here I got my vegetables and I cooked up some grilled chicken. I have some vegan butter. When I do use butter, I use this butter. Usually when like my meal preps, I use this, right? 0 calories. I use this on my meal prep. And then when I'm baking, I actually use like legit butter, but that goes in the back because I barely use it. We got 3D drinks. Gotta have some energy. I like these. They're only 200 milligrams of caffeine. Okay, moving along. Kombucha, yeah. We actually get this refilled at, what is that place called? Sprouts. Yeah, Sprouts. If you're in Jacksonville, Sprouts is located at the town center. We have some herbal tea brewing. Actually, I'll show you. This is what we're brewing back there. We just put a bunch of tea bags in a pitcher of water and let it sit overnight, and it's actually really good. Moving along, I have 2 containers of unsweetened vanilla cashew milk. I use these for my baking, for my protein pancakes, my protein shakes, everything. I love this stuff. I love that only a cup is only 25 calories, so. And we have some Shamey's watermelon juice from Trader Joe's back there, if you can see it. My snack drawer, besides the calorie-free stuff, this is actually really good. It's calorie-free, the Weldon's Farm. This is the raspberry. It's kind of like jelly. It has a different texture if you're a texture kind of gal, so. But I like it. I don't know why. I also have this calorie-free mayo that I actually use to make my tuna salad. That way I can put it on top of salads. It's really good. I have been on Greek yogurt for a little while now. Easy way to up my protein intake. So I get the light and fit vanilla, only 80 calories per serving. And I love sugar-free Jell-O. I used to eat Jell-O all the time as a kid and I am still obsessed. So that is that. Over here, I have some protein bars. These RX bars, chocolate sea salt. I have the peanut butter chocolate. And then when I was in Chicago, they have 2 new flavors. I found this in Chicago. Vanilla almond, and then I already ate the chocolate raspberry. It was really good. So, And Quest bars, I really like these. I also like the blueberry muffin flavor, but this one is good as well. So that's kind of like my snack drawer. I eat something out of this every single day because snacks are life. Vegetables, I got some spinach, tomatoes, obviously, some carrots, and more lettuce. This is usually for my salads. I usually do grilled chicken on salads, or I do a can of tuna with the calorie-free mayo, and then I add seasoning, and then I put it on top of a salad, and then I add 2 fried eggs on top, and that's extra dressing. Like, what? It's good. So, that's that. My other favorite drawer. Okay, I have cucumbers here, a grapefruit, some peaches, tomatoes, obviously, plum that is very soft. I should probably eat that today. And I have some sweet potatoes. I love cooking sweet potatoes. They're so good. But yeah, that is that side of the fridge. Let's move on to this side. Okay. This is not me. I swear this is not me. Maybe some might be me. Maybe a little bit. Shamey always gets fast food, and he always gets like extra like sauces. So I kind of like it, kind of don't though. Because when I'm not craving like my mustard or my hot sauce, I take his sauces because he's so saucy. Yeah. Okay. So he has a bunch of like sauces from different restaurants, and of course my applesauce is right there. Moving on, we have coconut creamer. I actually use this for baking and not coffee. I don't drink coffee. Blech. I got some egg whites, oat milk. That's actually really good. It's almost gone too. I don't know where Shamey got that at. And iced coffee. Those two are good together. More sauces. This is Shamey's concoction stuff that he uses to make his Filipino dishes. My favorite is mustard, clearly. I use liquid aminos. Why is this upside down? Like, why is this upside down? I don't understand. I use liquid aminos. It tastes just like soy sauce, super good, and 0 calories and only 320 milligrams of sodium. I use that for making my low carb stir fry rice recipe. Pretty good. I have this green goddess dressing from Trader Joe's. Delicious. 2 tablespoons is 20 calories, so very low on calories. I like that. I usually do that on top of salads, as well as like a fried egg to get like the yolk as extra dressing. Other dressings I have this fat-free, sugar-free balsamic vinegar by Skinny Girl, and also the poppy seed dressing. These are actually really good, like surprisingly really good. I know, I keep so many salad dressings, like it's so difficult choosing what I want every time I make a salad. Another salad dressing I found this at Whole Foods. Oil-free fig balsamic, if you can see. Yep, that's pretty good. We have honey mustard. Shamey likes his creamy Caesar dressing. My butter spray, ketchup, honey mustard, and then brown spicy mustard because your girl loves mustard. Usually for like my meal preps, I put, where's a container? I bought these little things for my meal prep, and I add in the buffalo sauce, ketchup, and regular mustard. And then I put a cap on it so that way I can like pick it as I grab my meal preps. I love all those sauces together for some reason. I'm weird. But yeah, that's that. Bottom shelf, not too sure. Shamey's beers, my flaxseed meal that I used to bake with. Some of Shamey's wine that he hasn't drank, because if it was mine, it would be gone already. Some Prosecco, and then medicine down there. But yeah. That is my fridge. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to comment down below your favorite snack or food. Is it tomatoes? No. Okay, it's fine. I guess I'll see you in next video. Tune in for next time. Peace.